In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website using custom CSS, an incredibly useful skill for making your site stand out and perfectly fit your style. Whether you're looking to tweak a few small details or completely overhaul the appearance of your site, using custom CSS gives you the flexibility and control to achieve the look you desire. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to the Design section of your website's administrative panel. This area is often your hub for all things related to the aesthetic and layout of your site. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Custom CSS. This feature will allow you to input your own styles and adjustments, making it a powerful tool for any website owner keen on personalizing their digital presence. Now here comes the exciting part. Pasting your code. If you already have custom CSS code ready, simply copy and paste it into the provided text area. This is where all your creative tweaks will take center stage. If you don't have any code at the moment, that's alright too. There are many resources online where you can find pre-written CSS snippets. These snippets can be used to change font sizes, adjust colors, alter spacing, and so much more. Remember, CSS is all about styling your HTML content and making it visually appealing, so let your creativity flow as you apply these adjustments. One thing to keep in mind while working with custom CSS is to ensure that your code is clean and well organized. This means checking for any errors before you save the changes. CSS errors can sometimes lead to major display issues, so it's always a good practice to review your code. Many custom CSS panels even have built-in tools to help you identify common mistakes. Once you are satisfied with your customizations, don't forget the crucial step of saving your changes. This is usually as simple as clicking a save button located somewhere on the page. It's important to save frequently while you're working so you don't lose any of your hard-earned style changes in case you accidentally navigate away from the page or close your browser. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to customize your website with custom CSS code. This skill not only enhances your site's personality, but also gives you a significant edge in personal branding and user engagement. Remember to play around with different styles, experiment with new ideas, and have fun as you continue to develop and refine your website's appearance. Happy styling!